Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a default invoice for the Invoices plugin. Okay, so to do that, you have to go to Administration on the top right corner. It is located here. And then here on the list, we will find the invoices. However, there are two ways to access these global settings. The first one is this one, and the second one is if you click on plugins, and there is invoices here. And yeah, this is the second way. If you click configure, you will see the invoice template just here. So into the general tab, then invoice template. So currently it is set to be classic. However, we could change it to something else. It could be, for example, modern. Okay, so we have modern default invoice template. So this means that when you click on the public link of the invoice that could be shared to anyone, then it will automatically and by default set the modern invoice template. All right, so we click apply and we are done here. So now we go to our invoices project and then click on the invoices. All right, and afterward we pick some random invoice. For example, it could be this one. Okay, so here it is. We click on the public link here and we got this modern invoice template. All right. Okay. So just to open it into a new tab. All right. So this is it, the invoice with the modern template. All right. So the other way of setting the default invoice template is by going to the settings of the specific project. That in our case is invoices project. Okay. So we go to settings. And then on the invoices tab there is invoice template. So currently it is with value no change, so it means that it gets the value that is set on the global settings. All right, so here we set something else. For example, we set a Russian template. All right, so we click save, and if we return back to our invoice, we just click on refresh and see that we have now the Russian template. So this is very important. The project settings actually override the global ones. So the global settings are valid for all projects. However, if you set some project settings of the template, it overrides the global ones, and in this case it takes the Russian template for our default invoice template when it is clicked. Okay, so again here to say yeah, here is our invoice. So we click on public link and here it is. It is the invoice of the Russian template. Right. Yeah, so we could change it to something else, for example the classic view. So we click save. uh yeah, all right, so we return back to our invoice and click on public link and see that we got the classic view of the invoice template. So if we change now the template in the global settings, it will not take place because we have project settings that are overriding the global ones. So no matter which template is set into the global settings, it will not be applied here because we have project settings applied and project settings invoice template set as default. So yeah, I'm going to show you for you. So we have set the classic view as we have already showed. So I go again to administration, then click on invoices and change the template to be Russian here. So again, to say these are the global settings, click on apply. All right. And now on the invoice itself, I click on public link and see that it is still the classic view of the template because it is a project settings and it is applied on a project level. It overrides the global settings. Yeah, so just to show you one more trick, uh, actually, yeah, these are default options, default settings for invoice template. So with one click, you got a default template. However, sorry about that. If you'd like to still have the some other template that is different from the default ones, and you still need to select this template, so you have to do it manually with a couple of manual steps. So it is very easy. You have to click here on the three dots. These are the options, and you have here reports, right? So you click on report, and then you pick the one that you need. For example, it could be the German, for example, the German template. So we click on preview, and this is it. This is Rechnung. This is German template, global custom template in German, right? Yeah. So this I wanted to show you. Yeah, and uh, actually, yeah, just one more thing. The default option is applied not only for the public link here, but also for the PDF option here. So yeah, this is it. The difference is if you click on PDF option, so it takes the default settings for the invoice, the default template. It automatically applies the default template. So this is a PDF file by its nature. So you could save it, you could print it, and so on. The difference with the public link is that if you click, it also applies the default template automatically. Uh, but uh, just to see, yeah, actually it is also a PDF. So yeah, it is also a PDF. So actually there is no matter which option you will click. So it is doing absolutely the same. All right. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was very helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUp. You could subscribe to our channel, you could like videos, share videos, comment videos, and if you have some questions or if you wish to say hello to our team, please contact us at support@redmineup.com. Thanks again for your patience, and bye bye for now.